Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get this my red flex filter on Snapchat. So this is the filter.
As you can see the
red
image,
flex.
you
Okay,
can
let
put
me remove this
eyes
first.
and mouth to some image. Okay, so to get this effect on
Okay,
TikTok,
the effect is gone.
just go to effect
To
gallery.
get this effect on Snapchat, what you have to do?
Section, remember this image. This is the filter. Okay, suppose you can't see the filter here in trending section.
Just visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below.
Search for
If you're browsing this website in your laptop or PC, you can scan the snap code with your Snapchat mobile app. And if you're browsing this website in your mobile, just tap on the snap code and open it with Snapchat.
from your camera roll.
Okay, wait for it.
Getting the
Okay, you
effect
got
like
the
this
filter.
from the
So
effect gallery.
let's see what's my
Go
red
to your
flex are.
profile page,
So,
and
yeah,
here you can search for face feature filter.
okay, so that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this filter on Snapchat. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.
To the effect page. From here you can add to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see use this effect. Tap there to use the effect. Okay. Okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like this also from your For You page. What you can do, let me go back.
So visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. You will be directed to the effect page again. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it. You got the filter. Okay, now you can choose a picture from your camera roll. Okay, let's go with this picture. Okay, you can drag this eyes and mouth wherever you want to place. You can place them. You can use your finger gesture to increase the size of this one. Okay, and that's it. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can use this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video. Hey Mountain, what's up? I know you are too older than me. You are here from long time. I'm here new, but I'm way cooler than you.